Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this trendy heart design on Canva. So go to elements and find blurred, and you are just going to choose this one and you're going to add it to your canvas here. And I'm going to also change the color to pink, but you can choose any color you'd like. Then find like heart to add in a heart shape. I'm just going to use this one because I prefer it, and I'm just going to add it to the middle. I will also then change the color to the one on the background like so. Then you can just add a text if you'd like. For instance, this one. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!